This time of year, it's hard not to be grateful for all that we've been through and to be supported by an amazing team that's growing in this craft alongside us. Nowadays, we don't have the burden of baking for thousands all on our own. Instead, we get to see the many people at Proof growing their capacity, growing their knowledge, and sharing our beautiful craft with the community in amounts that we could never fathom in the garage. So I'm preparing lunch for my team right now that I picked up locally from another farmer's market vendor. These are some tamales, and this is just a small gratitude offering for the team that's working so hard and allowing Amanda and I to work on other elements of our future and of growing the business. 2 new locations online for the holidays this year. And as I prepare lunch, I think about all of you out there who are on your own journeys and want to offer our $1 Million Baker course, which you can check out at milliondollarbaker.com at the lowest price that we have all year, $300 off during this special time. I hope that you can benefit from all these lessons that we've learned 2 seasons deep now in content, something like 30 hours of not just instruction, not just recipes, but also a view of our own failures, a view of our mistakes, a view of some of the innovations that we've made along the way that could potentially save you thousands. So check it out, milliondollarbaker.com. This is the best time of year to jump on. There will never be another lower entry price, and you'll benefit not only from everything that we've already put on there, but at no additional investment, you can get the additional content that we put out next year when season 3 drops. We're already filming content, writing down ideas, storing lessons, and continuing to progress on this journey that's one for a lifetime. So join us, become one of the hundreds of people that's learning right alongside us around the world. Looking forward to interacting with you on the other side. Happy holidays.